Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
Alright y'all, I'm back out here with this thing. A slightly larger battery, 650 milliamp hour it looks like. We out here with the F35. Shoot, we're gonna lay it down flat, y'all. Last time I was out here, it was all soggy out here. We're in B. Doing a little better as far as it not doing a high alpha the whole flight. On turns, that is. This thing takes some getting used to. Gotta actually learn how to fly this thing. This thing works on very low throttle, y'all. Awesome flying craft, y'all. See if we can bring it down for a landing. Try to bring it back around. Zero throttle. That's it for F35 from DRC, y'all.